You asked, how to divide 1980 by 8 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 19. 19 divided by 8 equals 2. 2 times 8 equals 16. 19 minus 16 equals 3. Bring down 8, making 38. 38 divided by 8 equals 4. 4 times 8 equals 32. 38 minus 32 equals 6. Bring down 0, making 60. 60 divided by 8 equals 7. 7 times 8 equals 56. 60 minus 56 equals 4. The remainder is 4. The final result is 247 remainder 4.